Hi everyone, this is my attempt at showing you how to use Google Keep. It's an app within your Google Tools, and it's how you will access the checklist that I sent everyone to get ready for spring semester. Because we're all using the same HCC Google account, I feel pretty certain that you will have these things in your window when you open up email. If you do not, let's work through it when we do check-in meetings next week. But hopefully, when you open your email, you should have things like this on the side of your window. It may take playing around with maximizing the size of your window, or possibly having to go up here into settings and choosing a split screen. I'm not sure if that's true or not. I might just be making stuff up. But the point is we're looking for this little icon. It says Keep. You all received a note, an email that says Note shared with you. I sent myself a note. I'm going to click on this email. You should all have an email from me similar to this one. You can click Open in Keep, and it's going to take you to your Keep page. I bet you didn't know you had one. And it has the note already opened. So, for example, I sent you your checklist, and now you start doing your things, and you can check them off. And they're not gone forever. They're down here. So if you messed up, you can uncheck it. But for you guys, you'll notice that down here, you'll have at least a couple of collaborators who are also able to look at your checklist. And that would be your ed coach and your transition coordinator. So you can close this, and you will find that you have this whole little page that you can open up. Sorry about that. That you can keep multiple things. So you could keep voice notes to yourself, you could take notes for class, you can make a checklist, you can save photos, web links, you can keep it all in this Keep. But the point is, let me try to go back to email. I think it's most handy when you have this split screen so that you can see it in your inbox all the time. And hopefully this will work for you. This is just my attempt at figuring this out for you because I don't know what you can see. When we meet next week, we will walk through it together, but this might get you started.